A warm good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. So, we are continuing our topic that is with the arm and the cubital fossa. As you see in the diagram, these are the contents of the anterior compartment. As the red color line represents the artery and the blue color spherical structures is representing the veins, and the yellow colored part involves the nerves, and rest other parts is occupied by the skin, the fascia, and the different types of muscles along with the profunda artery and the cephalic veins. So the anterior compartment includes the muscles, and the muscles includes the BBC as the biceps brachii, brachialis, and the coracobrachialis, and the blood vessels involves in the anterior compartment including the brachial artery and the basilic vein, and the nerve innervation is mainly caused by the musculocutaneous nerve, median nerve, ulnar nerve, and the radial nerve. So as you see in the diagram, these are the muscles of the anterior compartment, mainly the BBC complex. Coming to the next topic, that is the individual muscles. So starting from the first individual muscle, that is the biceps brachii. So starting from the origin, that is this muscle has two heads. The first head is the long head, which is originate from the supraglenoid tubercle of the scapula, mainly that lies in the intracapsular, and the second head is the short head, which is originate from the tip of the coronoid process of the scapula. As these two heads join in the middle of the arm so that the biceps will contour their shape. And this muscle is inserted on the posterior part of the radial tuberosity and somewhat the deep fascia of the middle aspect of the forearm through bicipital aponeurosis. And the nerve supply is the musculocutaneous nerve, and the main action is the it helps in the strong supination of the forearm, which is mainly used in the screwing, and the second action is the powerful flexure of the elbow, and the third function is the weak flexure of the shoulder. So guys, hope so you all understand very well, and for more information please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then, take care, goodbye, farewell, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. So till then, take care.